Hello witches, it's Stragabella. I have not made a video in quite a while. It's really cold. Today happens to be my birthday and I woke up to a blizzard. As you can see out the window. Up north around like New Hampshire area, apparently it's not as bad, but the further south you go, it's more blizzardy. Somebody we know already has been in a car accident.
I cleaned the living room.
Yeah, Joy cleaned the living room for my birthday, which was a nice little surprise.
I just cleaned it for fun.
What a good girl. I have not gotten out of my pajamas for the day, and I don't plan to leave the house. And that's about it. I got some happy birthdays from a couple people. And
my hair is not tingly anymore.
Yeah, Joy has been brushing her hair now and keeping it.
No, Daddy brushed it last time.
Oh, okay. What else? I hate the winter, so I have not been as excited about making videos and stuff. But my plants are all still alive for the most part. You want to show them the plants in the kitchen?
The what?
The aloe plants and the baby aloe plants. My aloe plant babies are still alive in here. This aloe plant had 4 new let's see, what there are 4. Yeah, there's 4 separate little plants that have been born. I'm not sure when I need to take them out of this pot and put them in their own pot. So if any of you have ever had aloe plants and done a transporting of baby ones, let me know. I've done it with a lot of other different plants, but not with an aloe plant before. In fact, I didn't even know that they could really reproduce like this. They just kind of grow out from underneath. So pretty cool. And the only good thing for me about the snow is that I put it in my coffee and make iced slushies. Oh, there's a ferret under there. Underneath the coat. Hello.
Where's your boo? Let's bring him in the living room.
He has a bunch of cute little clothes, like coats and stuff. So if I decide to take him out in the cold weather, he has a little coat to wear. Actually, he has 2 black coats. But when you put a coat on him and his little arms stick out, he thinks his legs don't work, so he just lays flat and won't move his legs. So it's pretty funny. He's so sweet.
Oh no!
Oh, he loves remote controls. That is like his favorite thing in the world.
Yeah, put it over here.
Hey, baby. Something happened to his here. Wait a minute.
What?
His collar got all loose for some reason. Here. What happened to it? It's weird. What happened?
Oh, she's so cute.
Here we go, baby. Here we go. Oh, my baby. Yay. The ferret and the dog are friends now. Pretty much. They like to play together. And, he doesn't like his baths yet. I do cut his nails and all that. But, I have been contemplating getting a new one, like, for him to have a companion. But I'm kind of up in the air about it because they say that it's nice for them to have companions, but, and that they live longer. But I'm home all the time and I'm with him all the time. So basically whenever he's awake, he's with someone. So I don't know. I don't want him to get like less focused on interacting with me and more interested in the other ferret. Because I know parrots do that. Like, if you get 2 birds, then they kind of forget about you. But
those are mine.
that's it for now. special dinner.
Or we're gonna go out.
No, he said he's gonna cook something that he hasn't made for a long time.
But he said.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
I can't even imagine because he
So
really
we're gonna
hasn't
take
ever
you
cooked
out.
anything for me. Unless maybe it's like lobster or something. I can't imagine. But
Look at the camera.
he's the
Lick
sweetest.
the camera.
He doesn't lick
Lick it.
stuff. I don't know if any of you guys who have ferrets know if any of you guys have ones that lick, but this one doesn't. He doesn't give
Yes.
kisses. Not really.
Look at the camera.
Once in a great while he'll do a little tiny one.
Put your nose in it.
But that's about all. I still have a bunch of book
Okay,
reviews.
he wants to get down.
I have several book reviews to do.
Go!
And that's about all. So I'll probably do separate videos for that. Hopefully, I have a lot of catching up to do with making videos and everything. But you can look forward to the one on woo! Did you see him jump? The rose thorn path, which is if you guys are interested in working with plant spirits, it's a way to get that really intensified and to a whole new level. Okay, guys, my videographer here is getting very distracted, so I will say goodbye for now. Blessed be.